This solar power project sends 5 megawatts of electricity to Sri Lanka's national grid. The Hiyare 5 megawatt solar power project by PAP EGSS Solar Private Limited is a large grid-connected solar power plant. To put it simply, sunlight comes in and clean electricity goes out. This project shows that solar energy can be good for the economy and the environment.
So as an independent power producer, Pan Asian Power is heavily investing on renewable energy projects. And Hiyare 5 megawatt project falls in line with our strategic objectives as well as the national policy of reaching 70% of its electricity needs through renewable energy sources by 2030. If you take Sri Lanka, it's very well positioned. Sunlight is readily available throughout the year, so it gives you an edge in investing on solar power projects.
Once electricity is generated here, it's sent directly to the national grid. That means the benefits aren't limited to just one area. By using renewable energy like solar, Sri Lanka's energy mix becomes more balanced. This also reduces the country's reliance on oil and coal, which often come with unstable and rising costs.
These renewable energy projects replaces coal and fuel energy power plants, and it reduces exposure to market fuel price increases, and it's helped to achieve countries' climatic goals such as nationally determined contributions under UNFCCC.
By replacing fossil fuel power, the Hiyare solar project helps reduce around 7,422 metric tons of carbon dioxide every year. This project also creates job opportunities for the local community. During construction, about 30 workers from nearby areas were employed, bringing income and hands-on experience. Now, the plant provides steady jobs for people, supporting long-term livelihoods.
As you know, the intensity of rain disrupts the entire construction process. So you have to have controls, you have to have that measures in place in order to take up these challenges.
A project like this needs strong financial support. That's where commercial bank Green Finance came in, providing 801 million Sri Lankan rupees in project funding.
The commercial bank provided the funding to build the project, and it's helped us to smoothly forward the project, and it shows the partnership between sustainable financing and renewable energy project and clean energy. This project financing made project financially feasible and reduced the financial risk of the project and helped to achieve community and environmental goals and encourages the future renewable energy project in the nation.
The Hiyare 5 megawatt solar power project helps to reduce emissions, supports livelihoods, and invests in local communities all at the same time. It stands as a real example of how solar power can drive sustainable growth while also protecting the planet.